Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. Today I'm going to show you how to restore a faded bumper like this, faded plastic bumper. Alright, this is not paint, this is purely plastic. So I'm going to show you how to restore it to be something like this. Okay, so what you have here is something that I've actually already applied about 2 months back. Until now, it still stays the same. Alright, it has gone through multiple washers, it has been parked under the sun, everything. It has not started to degrade. Here, you can see it's faded, doesn't look appetizing. Well, not like you're gonna eat it, right? But it doesn't look appealing. Yes, not the word appetizing. It doesn't look appealing. Okay, so how do we restore this to something like this and it lasts? Okay, it lasts long. Let me show it to you. Alright, what I'll be using is actually a tire shine. Okay, this entire bottle of about 5 liters, I've actually purchased it more than 10 years ago, but still have a lot actually. If you see, it's up to here. And what I normally do is I put it into a smaller bottle like this and I apply using a sponge. So the secret to actually applying this, I know a lot of people say tire shine will actually make it look worse over time, but there is a secret to it. What you need to do is you need to apply it very, very lightly. As you can see here, I have some tire shine inside here. All I need to do is just keep rubbing it. You see it doesn't have much of an effect, but just keep rubbing it in. Just keep rubbing it in. You only need a very small amount of this. So the reason why it looks bad for other people is because if you bring it to a shop and they use the tire shine, they use a lot of it. It gets stuck here, and the sun will actually burn it in and it make it look worse over time. So the secret to it is to use very small amount of it, and what you do is you massage it in. Alright, you really have to do it slowly. It takes some time. See how nice it looks right now, how great it looks. It doesn't look oily, it doesn't feel oily. You just massage the tire shine into it. Do not leave it one big glob in there. Okay, so for a bumper of this size, what I normally use is about 2 squirts for the entire bumper. So now I have extra over here. I will just scrape it off over here. Okay, I just need a very small amount. And I will just massage it in. And let me tell you, it lasts very, very long. This is cheap. And the result is so much better, even if you were to compare it with those plastic restoration products. I've tried those. Disappointingly, majority of them just make it look shiny. But this restores it too. This restores it to looking brand new, like original, with none of those shine. So, like I said, the secret to it is to massage it in. You saw the amount that I put in, and I'm actually going through the entire side bumper with this. You just need to massage it in. Make sure it's like Thai massage where you use a lot of energy, not those piano massage. And I like to use a sponge as opposed to a cloth because, I don't know, the sponge tends to absorb the tire shine better. So you should get a less shiny result. Okay, so how do we look here? Pretty nice. No longer as white as earlier. You can still see some over here that I didn't do the previous time. I have some tire shine here, so yeah. But it does not feel sticky. It does not look glossy. It looks good. Look how good it looks. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you learned something. It's a short one. Just sharing some knowledge that I've gained over my own experience. So if you like this video, it is. If you dislike it, you can always see this, but leave us a comment down below on how to improve further. And if you have not done so, make sure you hit the subscribe, like, and bell button so you get notified on our next uploads, alright? Till then, I will see you again.